welcome to a new tutorial of Made by Siem. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful scarf. It was made with a bulky yarn of ice yarns, the wool bulky GLITZ. I used a 3.5 skein for the complete shawl, and the other half skein I used to make the ear warmer. I'm gonna link the ear warmer at the very end of this video, and also I'm gonna put it down below into the description box of the video. Also, if you wanna use the same yarn, I'm gonna post the link down below where to purchase this yarn, and I would ask you guys if you could please use my link. For now, the total amount of chain stitches that I did in the video is 170. I'm going to tell you guys that it is 130, but off camera I redid my whole shawl because it wasn't wide enough for me. It wasn't long enough. It didn't feel comfy being that small around my neck the way I wear it. So be sure for if you make yours, that you decide how many chains you want to do. I'm gonna tell you by text that it was 170 instead of 130. So when you hear me say 130 stitches, it actually was 170. Okay. My shawl is 8 inches wide and 83 inches long, which is 20 centimeters and 210 centimeters. I hope you guys like to watch the video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please enjoy watching the video. Bye for now. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the leftover yarn that I have from making the ear warmer. Well, leftover yarn. Let me explain that. This beautiful yarn, which is the Ice Yarns Wool Bulky GLITZ, it is a 25% wool, 72 premium acrylic, and 3% metallic lurex. 100 grams, 120 meters, and it comes in a pack of 4 skeins. Now, for the ear warmer, I used half a skein, which is 50 grams, 60 meters. So, when you do the math, I have 3.5 skeins left, and I'm going to try to use it all up by making a longer scarf. Okay, so 10mm crochet hook. I might use a button that I'm going to sew on later on, a pair of scissors, a darning needle to sew in all my ends, and my measuring tape. Please enjoy watching the video, and if you want to use ice yarns, please go down below to the description box of this video and use my link. Thank you. Alright, you're going to start off with a slip knot on your hook, but leave a little bit of a tail end so you can use this tail end later on to add to your tassel or to sew it in. So a slip knot, and then chain in multiples of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and chain for the length that you need for your shawl. And please be sure that it is in multiples of 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and do this loose, chain loose. 11. Okay, I did a chain of 130. 130. Okay, we're starting crocheting into the second chain from the hook. Remember that the stitch on your hook never counts as anything. So 1 and 2 insert your hook into the second chain and make a single crochet and a double into the same stitch. Then skip one and into the next chain a single crochet and a double crochet. Then skip one and in the next a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip the next, single and double crochet into the next chain. And this is what you do all the way across. A single crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch and skip the next stitch. I have 2 stitches left, skipping this one and into the last stitch a single crochet. Just a single crochet, not a double crochet, but just the single crochet. Then chain 1, turn your work and into the single crochet of the previous row a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip the next stitch and into the next stitch a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip and in the next single and double. Skip and in the next one a single and a double. And if you have a really good and close look at the pattern, you can see that you're skipping the double crochet of the previous row and you are working into the single crochets. Single crochet and a double crochet. Skip, single crochet and a double. And this is what you do all the way across. At the end of a row number 2, then skip the double crochet and just a little on the side there are the 2 loops of the single crochet of the previous row. See? Here. So go underneath the 2 loops and make your single crochet. Then chain 1, turn your work and repeat row number 2. First stitch is the single crochet of the previous row. Insert your hook and make a single crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch. Skip the next, single and double crochet in the next. Skip one, single crochet and double crochet in the next. And this is all there is to it. You just keep on repeating a row number 2, and if you forgot how to do it at the end and the beginning of the new row, just go a little back in this video and you will see how you will have to do that. Now, I'm not sure how many rows I will be doing, but I'm going to let you know later on, probably in the next clip. But I also want to end on the same side as where I started. So you will need an uneven number of rows. But that is completely up to you. If you decide that you don't want an uneven number of rows, but you want to use up most of the yarn that you have, be my guest. It is your shawl you are crocheting. and this is just an idea on how I do it. Okay, so I will see you guys in about 3.5 skeins, I guess. Enjoy. Oh, and one more thing. This might be the time to measure your complete shawl. You can measure the length of your shawl and see if that works for you. Okay? See you guys later. Enjoy. And my very last stitch, one single crochet. I did 18 rows in total. 18. And this is all the yarn that I have left of 3.5 skein. Chain 1 and pull through. All you need to do now is sew in all your ends, and your beautiful shawl is done. And this is what a beautiful shawl looks like. My shawl is 8 inches wide, which is 20 centimeters, and 83 inches long, which is about 210 centimeters. I love, love, love my shawl. For the whole shawl, I used 3.5 skein of this beautiful yarn. If you want to use the same yarn, and if you want to make the matching headband as well as I did in a previous tutorial, then please wait and see at the very end of this video the link to the tutorial of the headband or ear warmer or whatever you want to call it. And if you want to use the same yarn, then please go down to the description box of this video and use my link. That will bring you straight to the iKSON's website where you can purchase this yarn. And I would really appreciate it if you could use my link when you buy your yarn at iKSON's. Okay, enough said. I really enjoyed making this shawl, and I hope you guys like it too. Please give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye for now. Hi, and welcome to a new tutorial of Made by Siem. I made this beautiful shawl. I really, really did like it. It is easy. Hi, and welcome to a new tutorial of Made by Siem. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this a beautiful scarf. It was made with 3.5 skein of this beautiful yarn. The wool GLITZ of IKSON. See if I have a label right here for you guys. No, it's another yarn. Alright, start off with a slip knot on your hook, but leave a little bit of a tail end. And this is what my beautiful shawl looks like. It is And this is what my beautiful shawl looks like. Look how beautiful and pretty that little glitz is in here. I absolutely love it. I love, love, love it. My shawl is 8 inches wide and 83 inches tall. In the video I'm going to